Konnichiwa gozaimasu. Welcome in to the first episode of Scalik Cooks, giving my fellow weebs some inspiration into something that you can do for cheap but tastes really good. So today I am working on a fried zucchini medley with a cucumber, parsley, and cilantro based salad. So here I'm going to give you guys a quick breakdown of what we're going to do. So first step, you want to turn on your stove, get that boy cooking. Toss in your 2 cups of zucchini and your half a cup of yellow onions. Stir that around with 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that simmer and get that boy sizzling. Then in another pan, start cooking up a whole bell pepper and some bacon. Then take a moment to let your wife know she's fine.
Well, I have my makeup on. I guess I'm fine.
Yeah, you fine. They know you fine. Then, once everything's all fried up, you're gonna mix that tasty, bacony, peppery stuff in with everything else. Then you're gonna get the wife to hold the camera while you put in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce in a pan and toss yesterday's rice in there to make some delicious fried rice. Now this might be a little bit hard. The rice may have formed to the shape of the pan, which it usually does. But that's alright, you're gonna chop that boy up and just start stirring him around and frying him. And I mean really, just go ham, just go crazy with it, enjoy it. Then you're gonna wanna get your cucumbers chopped up, your cilantro, parsley, and lettuce, throw all those in a big bowl. Then get your rice ready, start cracking about 4 eggs in there, and if you feel like it, add in some frozen veggie medley. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I was feeling cheese on this for some reason. So I had about 1.5 cups of shredded Colby Jack, sharp cheddar, and a little bit of Swiss. There we go. Now that you got everything finished, slap that stuff on a plate, put down a nice tablecloth, and have a good meal with your family.
After the food.
What do you think? What do you think?
Hold on. It's damn good.
And for dessert, we have banana bread with vanilla ice cream. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Here is a quick review of everything on the plate. Guys, so I've got a zucchini pepper with bacon stir fry that I had over low heat for about 30 minutes altogether. My cheesy fried rice with egg, and then our butterhead, cilantro, parsley, cucumber salad.